Yo, what up, what up? It's your boy C's from theseasonlife.com, and hey, this weekend wasn't that exciting. Wifey was very sick, so my primary job was to care for her and keep my son as far away from her as possible because we don't want the transfer of her illness to him. So we just went for a father's Sunday out, had a good old fashioned time, went shopping for some basketball kicks that I just picked up because I'm joining this social Boston basketball league and it starts this Wednesday, so I'm super excited about that. And we went out to eat and came back home. Wifey still was in bed, and yeah, nothing much occurred today, so nothing much to report. I took the day off, had a great time, so all's well, it ends well. Looking forward to a very productive week this week. So although I didn't do much, aiming to get a ton of more recording done, more editing done, and so on and so forth. So without any further ado, let me just continue to take care of the fam, because they're my number one priority, right? So let's get that handled, and hopefully this week translates to bigger and better things. Anyways, thank you for watching. Just gave you a quick little update. Maybe it's just a minute long, who knows? But yeah, thank you for watching. And yeah, leave me a comment. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and holla at the kid. Peace.